Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a short tutorial on how to turn your Instagram on the iPad into a full screen version. So if you're like me and you have an iPad and you scroll through Instagram, you might have noticed that there's this weird dumbed down version, which is basically the iPhone version ported over, and it's not really made for the iPad. You can turn it portrait mode and then do weird things, but the problem with this is that the keyboard is the iPhone version of the keyboard. So we're just going to cancel out of that. And I'm going to show you really quick how to get the full screen version. So it's really easy. Just quit out of the Instagram app, go to Safari, and go to Instagram.com on Safari. And you might notice that there's this full screen version. And we can actually bring this and turn it into its own standalone application without the top buttons or anything. So it's really simple. Just press the share button, scroll all the way down, and click add to home screen. So you can change the name of it to whatever you want, but it has the Instagram icon, and if you just press add, it'll add it to your home screen. And if you just open it up, it's pretty much the same as before. Just log into your account. And as soon as you get in, it's basically the full Instagram app as if it were an actual application. It's full screen and it works just as you expect it to. It's basically the web version without any of the distracting top elements. And you have every feature, like you can actually create a new post, you can message people, you can just explore your browse tab. There are my activity on posts, and I can view my own profile. So it's pretty much the same thing as an Instagram application. The one thing you can't do is post stories, or another thing you can't do is like actually get notifications through this application. So I do recommend keeping the original Instagram app or just not having it at all. Depends on your choice if you need notifications. But that's basically it with this really short tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye.